guys, it's Lindsay at Strands checking in. Yes, I have a little ring light on my phone. It is very handy for when shadows are coming across from the station. Anyway, so I just wanted to hop on real quick because I'm getting ready for a consultation to talk to you about that process. So with NBR Extensions, what we need to do to be able to tell you all of the answers to your questions, like how many rows do I need, how much is that going to cost, what's the maintenance look like, we need to do a thorough consultation. And the way we start that process is by filling out the application. So that might sound really scary, but basically it's just a consultation form that you answer basic questions about your hair history, if you've experienced extensions before, what your experience was, and really the biggest thing is knowing what your hair looks like now and what you want it to look like. So we call that your inspo picture or inspiration photo. So we have you upload pictures, which for some people can be really intimidating and make you feel a little awkward. But if we don't see your hair, we're not going to be able to answer your questions and give you an accurate quote for your pricing. So, and also like the wear and tear of like how you style and all of that kind of stuff, that affects, you know, everything. So if you only need one row just to add a little fullness, you know, your day-to-day routine might seem a little bit different, or your weekly routine might be a little bit different than someone who needs 3 rows, for instance, based on their hair density and texture. So there's so much that goes into it, but really the best way to get all of your questions answered is starting with that application. So for me, you can find that pretty much anywhere that I share information. I usually link it in my YouTube videos, which is youtube.com/beautybylindsayc, same as here. It's in the up there in the profile link. That's my little mini film that answers a ton of questions too, and then you just put your email in and you get the next video and you can fill in your application. Basically anywhere that I have a link or a click or anything like that, you can get information. Even if you go to the Strands Salon website, which is strandssaloncorning.com, it's right up there. It says NBR Consultation. You click it and it literally is the form. So lots of different ways to find out information, but we always start with that form. That's what happens first. And then I do a consultation. I prefer to do it on FaceTime or Zoom. That way I can literally see your hair like in real time. And then, or we can do it over the phone. And if you're local and you really, like if it's a specific situation, like if you already have another method of extensions or something like that, or you have like a questionable amount of density that we don't know if it's gonna work, then maybe we'll do an in-person consultation. But virtual is so easy, you don't have to leave your house. I do it, well, I'm still at the salon for today, but I'll do it from home. And it's an easy way to get your questions answered and to see if you're a good fit for NBR Strands Salon. So if you have any questions, DM me, comment below, anything you want to know. And if you're really looking for information on the NBR Experience at Strands Salon, click the link in my bio, watch my film, fill out your application, and I will talk to you soon. Bye guys.